सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस ड्रामा इज बेस्ड ऑन माँ बाप तो बच्चों को पाल लेते हैं, लेकिन समय आने पर बच्चे माँ बाप को नहीं पाल पाते.
So she is the mother, she is the daughter, he is the son, I am the wife, and they both are Vridhashram in charges. So now we are in home.
Mummy, we want food.
Wait, I am coming. Yes, please take this.
I don't eat, mom. I want a paneer.
Paneer?
Yes, mom.
Okay.
Mummy, I also want paneer.
No, you shut up.
What,
Okay?
why?
No, you shut up. Take this.
Okay, thank you, mom.
Mummy, I also want.
No,
But why?
please eat and get ready for go to
Okay, mom.
school, okay?
Mom,
Yeah.
I also go to school.
No, girls don't go to school.
Why girls don't go to school?
No, I also didn't go to school.
That's your
beta.
problem, na?
No.
That's your problem.
Mom, I'm ready for school.
Okay. He is my son and you are my daughter. There is a lot of difference between son
What
and
is the
daughter.
difference between son
You
and
shut
daughter?
up. You shut up.
Now after 20 years.
Mom, we want food.
Okay. You take rest. I am coming.
Okay, mom. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am not fine
But why?
because of your mother.
What happened?
Because she beated me, you know.
Mom has beaten you.
Yes, your mom beated me.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Mom.
Yes, what happened?
Mom, you beaten her.
No, she is saying
Why
lie.
are you saying lie, mommy?
She is saying lie.
You beated me.
No.
Just shut up.
I'm your mom now.
And I'm
you
your
trust me now.
Just shut up.
You trust me
or
now.
her?
Just shut up.
You trust me or her?
I'm
First
your
tell
mom.
me.
Don't forget
Just
it.
shut up.
Okay?
And
Just
I'm your
shut up,
wife.
okay?
Don't forget.
Okay. Please wait. Firstly, you eat this.
I don't eat food.
Hey,
Please.
don't be angry. We will eat food in restaurant. Please go.
No, beta. Please.
No,
listen.
we will
Please
not
listen.
eat your hand food.
Please listen, beta.
No,
Please.
we will not listen. Now she will cry, and we are in restaurant.
What will we do?
I will eat momos.
Okay. Waiter, give me
Waiter?
some momos.
Yes, okay. He's coming. Hey, I wanna say something.
Okay, sis.
I think that we should leave our mother at old age home.
What? She is my mom.
But I'm your wife. See,
Yeah.
you have two options. You should choose your mother or me. Tell, whom will you choose?
Obviously, I choose you.
Okay, so let's go at home.
Hey, what are you doing?
Mom, I'm packing back.
Where are we go?
Not we, only you.
Only.
Yeah.
But where?
Old age home.
Old age home.
Yeah,
Yes, mummy.
I don't have to go.
You are
mommy,
going
go.
to
I
old
don't
age
have
home.
to go. This is my home also.
No.
It's my home.
No, it's her home.
No, I
No.
don't have to go. I
You
don't
will
have
have
to.
to
This
go.
is my home also.
We can't keep you in this home for whole life. You understand?
No, try to understand. This is my home also.
See, mummy, if you
No, mom,
I'm
it's
your
my
mom.
home.
listen,
Listen, I am
Yeah,
your
mom, I
mom
know.
now.
But
you want that we
leave
should
out.
have, we stay happy for whole life, so you will have to go.
Okay, beta, we will go.
Hey mister, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also fine. Why did you came here?
I came here from. I leave my mom in old age home.
But why? She's your mom.
Yeah, I know she's my home, but it's my decision.
But bro,
Don't argue, man. Please, just shut up.
okay. Please sign this document and please pay 4,000 rupees.
But beta,
Okay,
please
mommy, let's
listen.
go.
Don't.
Please listen. I don't
No,
have
mom.
to leave here. Please
No,
listen.
mom.
I'm your mom now.
Just shut up,
Please
mom.
now, beta. Listen now.
Hello.
Hello.
Mom, how are you?
I'm not fine, beta.
But why?
Because of your brother and your sister-in-law.
What they do?
Please come, beta.
Okay, mom, don't cry. I'm coming.
Yeah.
Who are you?
I am her daughter.
Why you came here?
I want my mother. I'm take my mother and I'm going to.
Okay, you are a good daughter. Take her.
Okay, give me documents.
Thank you, beta.
Okay, please sign this document.
Yeah, come on. Bobby, where are you? Come here.
What happened? Why are you shouting?
I am shouting, so tell me where is my mother?
I don't know where is your mother.
You don't know, na?
No, I don't know.
I am telling you, na? Don't worry. Mom, please come here.
She was in.
She was in Vridhashram. What she is doing in Vridhashram?
I don't
are in Vradashram.
No, no.
You leave her, na?
No, I don't know anything.
You leave her.
I didn't leave her, yaar.
You leave her, okay?
So this is
So
my
what are you
husband
doing?
house. This is my husband
This is
house.
not the husband house. I have a documents, okay?
So tell where is your document. Give.
Hi sister, how are you?
What? How are you?
What happened?
Go from here. Leave.
But why?
Leave my mother, okay?
She's also my mom.
You are not her son, okay?
But why?
What you do with my mom?
She knows that we put her in Vradashram.
So what? Sit here. Sit here. You remember that moms love you. Moms give you everything, but not me. But what you do with my mom?
Yeah, I realize. I'm sorry.
What you realize? I don't believe in you. I'm taking my mom and I'm going.
I'm really sorry.
You don't
I realize.
realize.
I can't
Please don't
say
go, Mom.
anything. I can't say anything.
Mom, please don't go.
Please forgive
No,
us.
I can't say anything.
Please don't leave.
She is not.
समय कह रहा है कि माँ बाप अपने 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 बच्चे भी होते हैं तो उनको तो पाल लेते हैं, लेकिन 10 बच्चे मिलकर माँ बाप को नहीं पाल पाते। अगर आपके लिए वो बोझ हैं तो याद करिए एक बार कि 9 महीने तक हम भी अपनी माँ की कोख में बोझ थे और पिता के कंधों पर हमारे जीवन बनाने का और पूरा खर्चा उठाने से हमारी जवाबदारियों का भी बोझ था, लेकिन मम्मी पापा ने दोनों बोझ को उठाया, निभाया और आपको आज कुछ लायक बनाया है। तो प्लीज़ लायक बने रहिए, नालायक मत बनिए। कोशिश कीजिए कि जिस तरीके से आपको अपने बीवी बच्चे प्यारे हैं उस तरीके से आपको माँ बाप भी प्यारे हों। परिवार को जोड़े रखिए, टूटने मत दीजिए। थैंक यू।